and hope. And so earlier, we offered the rosary together for the strengthening and our affections to the source of our hope.
Very good. Half a circle, let's go some more.
All right, that looked amazing. It ended up in the end. Well,
hey you, I think you should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so. Hey you, now where do you go? Hey you should let it flow. I do think you care. Do you hear my prayer? I told you so. Hey you, I'm ready to go. Hey you, now you better show. Hey you, no time to be slow. I do think you hear. See you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you.
Parte complesso del National State, in cui di queste imponenti costruzioni ci sono, come molti pensano, nemmeno l'ingegneria, tutti mezzi ultimi.
We have the privilege of Your Holiness, Pope Francis, with us on Singapore's soil, present in our midst. Truly, you have shown the mercy, compassion, and find hope and inspiration to work to lead us in mercy and compassion of the voiceless, refugees, and victims.
See how much we've grown. Let's make the best of today, despite the unknown. Please come with me. You can open the door. Now we are free.